Ready, go ahead.
Take off now.
Cut in front of you here for a second. Turn around. Are you ready?
Time indicated.
Go ahead.
Take out.
Exactly, that's why I gave you room.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Go ahead, I'll come with you. I'm gonna go under and around. Come back around the other way. There we go. It's alright. Just keep going. Go. Go. Go.
Time limit complete.
Oh, nice. You cut the throttle, I didn't. We're not even trying. We're not even trying.
Dude, that's amazing.
So, right? At the same time, right? Oh, you want to do it? Go ahead. Go, you do it. I'll hang back.
That was cool. Dude, it would keep doing it.
It will if you're not careful. Whoa, big wind. Holy crap. The wind shot me up there. Whoa, holy crap, it did it to me. There's rising air right there. I'm going to do a downwind right now. Where are you? Okay, doing a downwind pass. Go ahead, I'm high. I'm going to come not too far behind you. keep going if you want to come in. Come on in.
Flaps out.
Nice. Oh, that was nice. That was an arrestor hook landing.
Dude, the wind was just right.
You have a lot more flaps than I do.
I do. The wind was just right, and I was just able to just float it in. Awesome.
Yeah, that spin thing's wacko, man.
I love it though. And the thing is, it'll just stay in that loop. Like it feels like if you just keep throttling and ruddering and aileron, it'll just
Yeah,
like
keep going. So wait, let me see how much flap you have. Yeah, that's way more than I have. That's all I use right there.
Come on. Don't be a sissy.
I used more and it went.
What?
So I'm like, eh.
This is all I use, and it's
Okay.
amazing.
Do you have any compensation? I don't. I don't think I do.
For takeoff, it's 8%. No, 6%. Landing, it's 10% up.
Okay, I gotta look and see.